بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم.
Aleph Lam Mim.
ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين.
That exalted book in which there is no doubt, guidance for those who fear Allah.
الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Those who believe in the unseen, and establish the prayer, salah, and spend in our way from the sustenance we have granted them.
والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون.
And they believe in that which was sent down to you, and that which was sent down before you, and they are certain of the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
These very people are upon guidance from their Lord, and these very people are the successful.
إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
Indeed, those who are destined to disbelieve commit kufr. It is the same to them whether you warn them or do not warn them, they will not believe.
ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Allah has sealed their hearts and ears, and there is a veil over their eyes, and for them, there is a severe punishment.
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين.
From among the people there are those who say, we believe in Allah and the Day of Judgment, and yet, they are certainly not people of faith.
يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
These people want to deceive Allah and the believers, although they only deceive themselves, but they do not perceive it.
في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون.
There is disease within their hearts, so Allah increased their disease, and there is painful punishment for them as they were lying.
وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون.
And when it is said to them, do not spread discord in the earth, they say, we are only reformers.
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
Pay heed. Indeed, these are the very people who spread discord, yet they do not perceive it this reality.
وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون.
When it is said to them embrace faith as others did, they say, should we believe as the fools believed? Pay heed. Indeed, these very people are the fools, however they do not know.
وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا إلى شياطينهم قالوا إنا معكم إنما نحن مستهزئون.
And when they meet those who believe, they say, we have embraced faith, Islam, and when they are alone with their devils, they say, we are with you, we were only mocking them.
الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم طغيانهم يعمهون.
Allah will give them the recompense of their mockery, but for no, He is granting them respite that they remain blindly wandering in their transgression. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Islamic Education to get all the updates.